Okay, before we start any modeling, we need the 3D view of that particular model or particular object. So let's say we have this, you have downloaded or you have created somehow just like I did. So if you have this 3 view, somehow you make this 3 view along with the cross sections or whatever. Before starting the modeling in the Rhinoceros, you need to set the parameters like the model's unit measurement of units will be like centimeters or feet, in which parameters that you will be making the model. Like if you're making big ones, you will be working on meters. If you are working on small ones, you will be working on centimeters or millimeters. That depends on the scale of the model. So let's suppose if you have small cuts or small pieces that are in millimeters, that are measured in millimeters, so you select a millimeter scale and you create a new template. You can see the unit is set to millimeters. This is the default layer. These are the mm, those are the property page icons, like such as grid snap, ortho, planar, object snap, smart track, gumball, record history filter, etc. So what grid snap does is you can see the grids here and there. Whenever you pick or create something, it will snap to the grid. You can see in perspective. It will try to snap to grids. See? It will follow the grid lines. And ortho means it will go straight, perpendicular, 90 degrees. You can deselect that. The object snap is useful if you want to connect multiple objects as per their end, or you can snap to a nearby object, or you can snap to a point, or you can snap to the middle of that object or center, whatever. See, you can see all the things here. If you disable this, it will not snap to anything. Like you are curating this curve, and if you want to create another one and snap, it will snap end, not snap to the end. If you uncheck this one, it will not find unless you go there. Or if you disable this one, it will not snap. See, it's finding hard to snap. When you enable the object snap, it will snap instantly. Okay. So we have two objects. You can check them here. And click the right click and hold and release. Okay, if you want to delete this, simply select the lines and press the delete button. Select the line, press the delete button. Okay, before you start, doing any models, you see you can view the object from many perspectives, many views. You can view from the top, you can view from the bottom, you can view from the front, right, left, back, or perspective. So by standard, we have the four views, which are right, or you can change this to top view. Instantly, it will change to top view, right? Or if you want to zoom this window only, you just simply click on this top view, click back, double click to go, double click to come back, double click to go, double click to come back. And you can see this gets highlighted whenever you are active on that viewpoint. So the top view shows you the top view of a model, front view will show the front view of the model, right view will show the right view of the model, and the perspective you can check the object or the model from all the viewpoints in 3D, right? These all are in uh, parallel projection. Like if you see a cylinder, when you see a cylinder from the top view, it looks like a rectangle. When you see a cylinder from the front view, it will look like a circle. From the right view, it will also look like a rectangle, but in the perspective view, you can see the real 3D shape of that object. But in top view, since it's in parallel projection, parallel view, the shape and size are preserved from all the angles. So this shape from the front and this shape from the back and this shape from the back is equal. Same goes to here. So the perspective view is used to check the reality and how the model is doing and how it looks in real life. And these are useful to get the model in precise shape and sizes.